So I'm at a Cowper Luas stop, and during the Harcourt Street days there was never a railway here, a railway station even here. There was a footbridge at, I found a picture of it from 1980 on the ECD archive. And now this is interesting, this perspective. I didn't do a video of this before. See the way the line significantly dips there. So during the railway days it would have just gone right ahead, and then in the distance where the cars are would have been Ranelagh Rathmines station, opened in 1896, so it would have been a bridge over that road. So they decided when they're doing the Luas construction work to remove all that, and the line was the Luas line, as you can see, dips down, and in the horizon there you can see it rising back up the embankment into Charlemagne Place. So this was heavily overgrown, incredibly overgrown there, right until the clearance work started around 2001. So there would have been, I believe that's Albany Road down there, and there would have been a bridge there, the SER bridge there. So again, noise of the Luas takes over, but you can see my Luas in the distance there. Now, this is perfect now. You can see the way it's dipped down. The car's crossing the road where the overbridge was. So there you go, there's the perspective. One Luas dropping down, another Luas coming up. So this is the actual, obviously the alignment, the actual alignment of the Harcourt Street line, but it's the actual alignment rather than down there is where it drops down. So it's interesting, you know, when they engineered this line they decided to remove the bridge and get that perspective. So you can see the two Luas trains there at the I was going to say the Ranelagh Rathmines stop, where the Ranelagh Rathmines station was, and now the Beechwood station. Okay, and ahead is Milltown station, and you can see the Dublin mountains in the background. So thank you. Please subscribe to my channel, Station to Station, and hit the like button. Thank you.